like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic.
I can't believe
Like the Atlantic,
it's my life,
and I'm going down
and it is
like the
generated.
Titanic. It's blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic. It's blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic.
I'm gonna try this again. Forget, I'll do it sometime. I'm locked up on the button. Can you do it sometime? Pushed it in too far. If I electrify mine, oh, electrify my golden tooth. Can I look at your eyes without sparking some? Electrify my heart. Electrify my heart. Surprise, I'm in the same time, beneath the same sun. Oh man, you cut me to size, my little buttercup. If I electrify my golden tube, can I look at your eyes without sparking some? Electrify my heart. Electrify my heart. Electrify my heart. I was hanging with you, and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't want to believe my feelings for you. I didn't want to believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you, and I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through, 'cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you, but I'm still stuck on you. I'm still falling for you, for you. I walked into the room and then I saw your face. You looked me in the eye and then I wanted to erase myself. Erase myself. I didn't want to fall, but then I stepped right in. I looked down at the ground and then I felt it right within. It was too late for me, too late for her. You took a step forward and tilted your head. With a curious glance you stared and I felt dead. Oh my God, I think I'm dying. You said hey, and I said hello. What's your name? I'd really like to know about you. Too bad I stopped at hello. I just stared and you grinned and looked right back. It felt like just one big whirlwind, one big emotional whirlwind. Over the next few days we got to talking. With every single word I started falling farther, farther and farther for you. You were so witty and so charming, swept me off my feet. You made me laugh, you made me blush, no one could compete. No one could compete. It seemed too good to be true, too good to be true. I wanted to be with you, only with you. We clicked like Legos or the clacking of tap shoes. You said hey, I said hello, how was your day? You said better now with a smile. Oh, what a cliche, but to be honest, it made my day. I didn't want to fall, but then I stepped right in. I looked up at your face and those eyes, they drew me